A body of mass 40 kg resting on rough horizontal surface is subjected to a force P, which is just enough to start the motion of the body. If mu s is 0.5, mu k is 0.4 and g is 10 meter per second square, and the force P is continuously applied on the body, then the acceleration of the body is, according to the problem, a body of mass 40 kg is resting on a rough horizontal surface. Let us suppose this as horizontal surface, which is rough in nature. Its mu s value is given as 0.5 and mu k value is given as 0.4. A block of mass 40 kg is resting on it, and a force P is applied on the block towards right, and this P is just enough to start the motion of the body. Therefore, P force will be equal to as the limiting friction, which is maximum of static friction. So P is equal to mu s times of normal reaction force, and from FBD we can see its weight 400 newtons acts vertically downwards and normal reaction force acts vertically upwards. Since the block is in vertical equilibrium, normal force is equal to 400 newtons. So substituting that value here, P is equal to mu s is 0.5 multiplied by 400. So we get P equals to as 200 newtons. Now as this force is able to start motion in the block, there will be a frictional force acting in opposite direction to that of P. Therefore, the net force acting on the block is P minus friction. Now as there started a relative motion between the 40 kg block and the horizontal surface, this frictional force is equal to kinetic friction. So F net is written as mass multiplied by acceleration, that is 40A, which is equal to P is 200 minus Fk is mu k times normal reaction force. So this implies 40A is equal to 200 minus mu k is 0.4 multiplied by 400. So this implies 40A is equal to 40, which implies acceleration is equal to 1 meter per second square. Therefore, the correct option is 2.